guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we will make a snack called a pancake. We will use a hot cake mix in Japan, 200 grams hot cake mix, and one spoon of sugar, and also 150 cc of milk and 1 egg. And after that, you can use a 1 spoon of oil, or if you don't use oil, you can use a butter. You put a butter and then mix it wisely until it makes it smooth. Mix it surely that you can mix it well. Mix it well. Mix it well until it's after this sticky and mixing, and prepare the rice cooker. After this mixing, rice cooker, then wipe it the butter inside the rice cooker. The purpose is so that it's not be stick inside the rice cooker. That is the reason why it put it in a butter. And all the side of the rice cooker so that it's not be stick and inside the rice cooker. All of the sides you put it so that it will not stick. Wipe it wisely and slowly. After that, you put the mixing one, put inside the rice cooker slowly. Make sure that the mixing it well so that it mix it fluffy. As you can see, guys, there is a bubbles inside, so meaning after this result there is meaning bubbles. You can say bubbles. It is because it is not mixed well, so that will happen next. So you can set it like 5 minutes only. Oh, it's already done. Let me see. Oh, wow. Oh, see, you can see the bubbles. See. So don't worry, but it's so delicious. But next time, if you want to smooth, fluffy, you mix it well so that not mix that will happen. But it's okay. It's very delicious. Pancake is a pancake. Here we go. Open sesame. Oh, This is a very easy recipe for me as a busy person. Is it to cook using a rice cooker? Or you can use a food coloring if you want to another colors of your pancakes like violet, red, or orange. It depends on your color you like. You can use the food coloring to make it good or in your taste. If you have a party or children's birthday or any, you can make it easily with this very easy recipe. Here we go. Let's try to taste the result of these pancakes. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you next time, and I hope you can subscribe. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.